Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be talking that how to fix Photos app not working on Windows 11. So recently Microsoft Photos came with a very awaited feature, but unfortunately this is not working for everyone. So if you are one of them and your Photos application is not working, just try these 4 troubleshooting methods and your problem will be fixed. Before proceeding, I would request that try restarting your PC and also try updating your Windows 11. So probably if these 2 things doesn't work for you, then you have to move with my troubleshooting methods. Number 1, we have to run the Microsoft Store troubleshooter. Just make a right click on the Windows icon and then choose Settings. Now here you just need to scroll down a bit and you will find an option Troubleshoot. Choose Other Troubleshooters. And now you need to look for Microsoft Store Apps, which will be at the bottom, and then click on Run, which is on the very right of it. Now it will start detecting the problem, so if there is any kind of issues, then it will automatically detect it and let us know that where exactly the problem is. So you just need to wait. It may take a few seconds and sometime even minutes. Once done, it says you can reset apps that aren't working right from the apps and features. So it's suggesting us that we should better go and just reset the application. Okay, so that is the suggestion we got it from here, and that's what we will be doing. So hit on next and says restart your PC. So you can go with restarting. I won't be restarting now, but you can go with a restart. Now in order to reset the Photos application, so very simply on the left hand side you will see the app section. Click on apps and then you will find apps and features. Click on apps and features, and now here you will see all the application installed on your Windows 11. So simply here you will find search apps and click on it and just type Photos, and Microsoft Photos will be coming up. Now on the very right hand side of it you will see the 3 dot. Click on it, click Advanced Options, and then scroll down to the bottom and you will find Reset. Here you will get 2 options, Repair and Reset, so you have to go with Reset one. Okay, click Reset and then Reset again, and it will reset the Microsoft Store application, that is Photos, in case if there is any problem. If there was any problem with the Photos application, it will be resetted, and then you need to go with a restart. Okay, after this step you need to go with a restart and check back again if this fixes the problem. Now in case if it doesn't fix the problem, then you also need to check for the updates. Okay, you just need to verify it, just take few seconds. So to check the update, simply click on the search icon of Windows and type Microsoft Store. Open it, and from here you can search for Photos. Here you will find it, and now in case if there are kind of updates available, you will see a tab that says update, and now in my case it shows me get, but probably if there is any update available on your PC, then it will show you to update it. You can also do it from going to the library here at the left and bottom, and then here you will see get updates. So click on it and it will just check for all the application that need update, and it will show you the list of all the application, and just check that whether Photos is under that list or not, and if yes, then go ahead and just update it. If this all the method doesn't work, then we have the next method, that is we will be just resetting the Photos application from the computer. In order to do that, just close everything. Now click on the search icon, just type PowerShell, and then choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes, and now this page will be coming up. This can be a blue window in your case. Okay, so don't get panic. Okay, this is a Windows PowerShell that we need to open. So here first we need to uninstall the Microsoft Photos from the Windows 11. So for that, just you will be getting a command in the description. Just copy the command and paste it here, and once you paste, hit enter, and this will be uninstall. The Photos application will be uninstalled from your device. Once done, restart your PC, and once restarted, you will be getting another command that will be again in the description. Copy that and paste it here again, and then hit on enter. So what this will do, this will just reinstall the Photos application again on your Windows 11. So now when you will check back, your problem will be fixed. Okay, this is a tested method, guys. All the method that I shared with you, all these methods are working and already work for many people, and that's why I'm sharing with you. So if this will work for you as well, guys, make sure you hit the like button. Please hit the like, that will motivate me and many other audience watching this video, and subscribe to the channel as well to get more related videos. Thank you so much.